Hello. I'll be demoing the Flutter Pine Labs Edge plugin that we have been creating. So basically, in order to use this plugin, we have to first import it, as usual with all rest of the plugins which we use in Flutter. So this is how we basically import our plugin. It's like package and then colon Pine Labs Edge Flutter and then checkout and then edge.dart. So this is basically how you import the plugin in your app. So this is like a sample app that we have created to test out the plugin. And if I scroll down after importing it here, if I scroll down, this is like a usual Flutter app that we have. So what we have here, these are like the parameters that we usually use in like in any kind of payment through Pine Labs Edge. So these are all the parameters that we need for triggering the payment. And if I scroll down a little bit here, so we have this Edge widget here. So this is actually coming from our plugin which we have just imported. So this is a widget, Edge widget. And inside this widget, we have quite a few parameters that we have to pass. So the first one being a callback, which is a callback function. And it basically takes a status, which is a Boolean value, and then a response. So this status is going to be a Boolean value, of course, and depending on if it's true, then it means that the payment succeeded. If it is false, then it means the payment failed. So yeah, and in the response, we get the usual payment response from the Pine Labs Edge platform. Then we have some parameters here. Some of these are required and some of these are optional. As you can see that we have marked some of these as optional. And this is also all of this information that I'm showing here in this video is also available on our ReadMe. We have also documented it. So you can find it there as well. So we have added all the parameters here, like the amount, merchant, unique transaction ID, merchant ID, and all these. So up to here, everything is required, and rest all of the parameters are optional. So these are not really required, but if you have these, it's fine. So yeah, so that's the plugin. So basically, you can also find the README with all this information that I just demoed here. So yeah, thank you.